Good morning students. Next day fourth sum. Determine k and solve the equation 2x cube. Solve the equation 2x cube minus 6x square plus 3x plus k equal to 0. If one of its roots is twice the sum of other two roots, then find the k value, solve the equation. Then condition the equation 2x cube minus 6x square plus 3x plus k is equal to 0. First identify the a is 2, then b is minus 6, c is 3 and d is constant value k. Then one condition, one root, sum of the roots is an one of its roots, one root equal to sum of beta plus comma the sum of the other two roots, that is twice of 2 into beta plus comma, that condition is the given. Okay, next one, the multiple to left hand side divide alpha by 2 is equal to beta plus gamma. Okay, that condition alpha plus beta is equal to beta plus gamma is equal to alpha by 2. Then first one, the sum of the three roots alpha plus beta plus gamma is equal to condition minus b by a. Then alpha plus the beta plus gamma value alpha by 2 is equal to minus the b value minus 6, then minus 6 divided by 2. Okay, next is the cross multiplication 2 into alpha 2 alpha plus 1 alpha 3 alpha by 2. Okay, minus into minus 6 plus say 1 3s are 3 3 2s are 6. Next then alpha equal to 3 into 2 by 3 3 3 cancel, then alpha is equal to 2, alpha is equal to 2. Okay, the next condition, the multiple of 2 alpha, so 2 roots and addition alpha beta plus beta comma alpha is equal to c by a. Alpha beta, alpha value 2 beta plus beta comma plus comma into 2 is equal to c value 3 divided by a value 2. Okay, next 2 comma 2 beta 2 comma common plus beta comma plus beta comma equal to 3 by 2. Okay, then beta plus comma value alpha by 2. Okay, and beta plus comma value, listen, beta plus comma is equal to alpha by 2, beta plus comma is equal to the 2 by 2, then alpha value 2 cancel, beta plus comma is equal to 1. Okay, the substitute the value 2 into 1 plus beta comma is equal to 3 by 2. Okay, next then beta comma 3 by 2, the plus 2 right hand side minus 2, beta comma is equal to 3 minus 4 by 2, 2 2s are 4, beta gamma is equal to minus 1 by 2, that is beta gamma value. Okay, next is the three roots of multiplication alpha beta comma, third condition minus d by a, alpha is a 2, then beta comma is a minus 1 by 2 is equal to minus, then d value k divided by a value 2. Okay, then 2 cancel, then minus cancel, 1 is equal to k by 2, the divide value right hand side multiple k is equal to 2. Okay, then k value over. Okay, the last one, only the find the value alpha and k. Okay, the beta comma, you find the beta comma value. Okay, the next one, beta plus comma is equal to 1. Okay, then beta is equal to, that comma is the right answer 1 minus comma. Okay, then you take the value beta comma is equal to minus 1 by 2 one value, then substitute the value beta value 1 minus comma into comma equal to minus 1 by 2. Okay, then comma is multiple, comma minus comma into comma square minus 1 by 2, the divide value left hand side multiple 2 comma minus 2 comma square is equal to minus 1. Okay, then minus 2 comma square left hand side, right hand side 2 comma square, then plus value right hand side minus 2 comma, the minus 1 is equal to 0. That is quadratic equation. The quadratic equation solve the, okay, solve the value 2 ones are 2, multiple 2 addition of 2 is not condition, it's not condition, is possible. Okay, it's not possible. Okay, then use the formula. A is equal to 2, then B is equal to minus 2 and C is equal to minus 1. The formula gamma is equal to minus B plus or minus square root of minus B square minus 4AC divided by 2A. Gamma is equal to, substitute the value, minus into minus plus 2 plus or minus square root of minus 2 the square minus 4 into 2 into 1 minus 1 divided by 2 into 2. Gamma is equal to 2 plus or minus square root of 2 square is 4 minus into minus plus 4 2s are 8 divided by 2 2s are 4. Gamma is equal to 2 plus or minus square root of 12 by 4. Okay, the last step, gamma is equal to 2 plus or minus 4 into 3 divided by 4. Gamma is equal to 2 plus or minus, the square root of 4 is 2, square root of 3 is not possible, 3 root. Okay, gamma is equal to, the 2 is a common, 1 plus or minus root 3 divided by 2, 2 cancel, the gamma is equal to 1 plus or minus root 3. Okay, that's all. The roots are alpha value 2, then alpha gamma and beta value same, 1 plus or minus root 3 by 2, comma k is a 2. That's all. The fourth sum is over.